surprise. Follow me. Sorry for the long walk, but here it is. The Slatington Farmers Market in Pennsylvania.
What's the big news?
We'll see. Slatington Farmers Market is a big place to fill a bunch of cool treasures. Our stand. It's not painted yet fully, but it's going to, and we're gonna sell toys for kids here. I hope it's gonna be a good success. Online store too. You can come there too if you can't make it to Pennsylvania or here. And it's gonna be called something, I forgot, but I hope you guys get to see it. Farmers Market is so cool. It's not just our toy store, it's this whole big thing. It's gonna be a candy store. Also, here's a little bakery. It's gonna sell so much. It's gonna be so yummy. I can't wait. And I can't wait for the candy store. Yay! This is one of my favorite places to go. It's called... Wait, what is it called?
It's called Energizing Tea, but what do you like to get here?
I love to get boba.
Should we get a boba?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Hello guys, this is The Grove Nutrition. I'm Claudia, the owner. We have some amazing, healthy, delicious treats for you guys. From boba teas, we have help energizing, doesn't give you a crash, metabolism boosting, digestive health, and helps with nutrient absorption. We have a variety of flavors. We also do no added sugars in them. And then we also do protein-based shakes. We do protein donuts, and then we have boba you can add to the teas as well. So check us out. We're here on the weekends.
And yours is the boba, right? What's your favorite flavor?
Rainbow Craze.
Rainbow Craze.
I think I'm pretty strong this time. An arcade here for kids. There's poppets here too. They have good classics. You're gonna want to come here. The poppets are so cool. This was long waited. Some stuff in stock. So let's see. I haven't seen this either, so I'm really excited. There are a bunch of Spider-Man. There are a bunch of superhero fidget spinners.
Whoa! Captain America?
They're really cool.
Open one up.
Open one up. Which one should I do? Should I do Captain?
Yeah, do the shield.
I kind of want to do Spider-Man.
Do Spider-Man. Whatever one you want. Show it off.
But there's another one, that's cool. Here they are. They're really cool. I bet a bunch of people will love this. That's really cool. It's kind of like an optical illusion.
Wow. Let me spin it. That was fun. Hold on. Take this. Oh, it feels neat too.
I wonder what this one is.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, radioactive. These are extra
These are
extra parts,
extra.
so you can change them up. Want to see the next toy?
Yeah.
Say.
The next one. Oh my god.
What are they?
They're little Minecraft swords.
Minecraft poppet swords. What's this one?
The same thing.
Ooh.
And guess what this one is? The same thing. They're really cool. So
I have the power.
Yay, now we have
Yes.
little puppets.
Awesome. So more stuff's coming in, right?
Yep, more stuff's coming in by the second.
Say, when do we plan to open by?
We plan to open by September.
Official grand opening, right?
Uh-huh.
So Emily's kind of a mascot at Emily's Marvelous Toy Shop, right? And she's very excited about it. We're both very excited about it. We're going to be here at the new Slatington Market Place. It's just starting out. There's a lot of food, a lot of tasty drinks and treats. It's going to be we're going to have lots of toys, lots of different brands, right? And there'll be an online store too. We're going to be open Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays all year round. And there's a lot here to see. There's a lot here to see and to do. And I think this will be a lot of fun. Now, we're going to do a lot of stuff along the way, right? We plan to open September 1st for our official opening, but we're going to be starting now. You're going to see us doing a lot of fun stuff like painting, decorating, putting up the shelves. So I think it'd be cool if they followed us and saw us along the way, right? Join us on our journey as we put the store together. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna have friends, family, Emily, and toys.
Oh, do you guys want to sip a boba?
Yeah, have a sip of boba. So please subscribe to our page and follow us for updates on the toy store and the marketplace. And thank you for your time, everybody. Thank you for the attention here. Yeah, we're really excited.
Please follow for this journey. Please like and subscribe.